Hey everyone, I'm going to be talking about a new Philips Hue product today. It's the Infuse Hue Ceiling Lamp. I'll be doing an unboxing, step-by-step installation, a demo, and stay tuned till the end of the video to hear my review of the product. Let's get started. What's up YouTube? This is Gavin Pikachu and I'm here to help you supercharge your home with smart tech. Pikachu, use Thunderbolt! Alright, let's briefly talk about this product. Starting with the design. This is a very slick looking ceiling lamp with a ring of light shining down, as well as a ring of light that flushes against the ceiling. It measures 15 inches in diameter and a little bit over 3 inches in height. With this lamp, it comes with some basic features that you can configure through the Philips Hue Bluetooth app. For example, you can change the color temperature from warm white to cool white, and this is just part of the Philips Hue white ambience where you can it actually has 50,000 shades of natural white light. That's a lot of granularity. In reality, you're probably just going to be switching between 4 or 5 different settings. You can also change the color of this light to red, green, blue, whatever you like. It's the same control that you get in some of the Philips Hue light bulbs. And this light is also dimmable in both the white color temperature as well as different colors. And it should be bright enough to illuminate pretty much any normal size room in your home. With the Philips Hue Bluetooth app, you also have some basic automation capabilities, such as scheduling the light to turn on or off at a certain time. But like most Philips Hue products, this thing comes at a pretty hefty price tag. It retails at $250 USD. Luckily, I was able to snatch one of these for just $200 over the last Prime Day event, and I'm really happy about that. So, is this price really worth it? Wait until you hear my review near the end of this video and you'll find out. For now, let's get started on the unboxing. Okay, here we go. Open this from the bottom, over here. Oh wow, it comes with a white cloth cover, I think. Kind of reminds me of the luxury bag that my wife has. You take it out like a Chanel purse, have a cloth bag. Let's see what this looks like. Weighs about maybe 8 pounds. Looks pretty nice. Nice quality, smooth finish. All white. This is the ceiling side. On the back side here, looks like there's a plate. I guess this is where we're going to install it to the ceiling. Put this aside. In the bottom of the box, there's a you can twist this thing counterclockwise to lift open this plate here, and this is what I'm going to be installing onto the ceiling right there. Actually, maybe taking it off.
A few moments later.
There are actually 3 other holes that you can drill this plate directly into the ceiling, but with these 2 screws, it's pretty strong already, so I don't think I'm going to be drilling holes in those places for now. On this side, it's got this little hook. It's actually a safety hook. On the edge of it, there's a little hook right there that you can hook through. And then here, this is the power. This is the neutral white one. So we'll try to put these on this side.
That looks unstable.
Come on. this little piece here, I guess, is the safety hook to prevent the whole thing from falling. And I'll hook it into this little S shape here at the middle here. It's a safety knot. So, like, if it actually falls, it's not going to fall here. Alright, tugging off the wires, good. Ground wire also tucked in. Perfect. We'll take this with me. Last step is to screw this whole thing in. And there we go. Alright. I'm in the Philips Hue app on the home page where you have multiple rooms. I've set up my Infuse Hue Ceiling Lamp in the master bedroom. Let's go into the light control first at the bottom. And here you can adjust the color temperature from like a warm white to bright white or like a super cool white. You can put this anywhere in the pin in the middle of the circle to get the desired brightness that you want. Sorry, the color that you want. And here you can adjust the brightness down to like 50%, then all the way down to 1%. Bring this back up. With this lamp, you can also change the color in this little wheel on the left here. Here you can change the red, green, blue, purple, yellow, etc. And of course, you can also adjust the brightness as you're changing the color. You can kind of find the perfect color that fits your need. Next, let's look at the scenes at the top. It's fun to play with the color wheel, but it's not the most convenient. That's where you can save a scene for quick access with one click. Nightlight, relax, concentrate, or like a color one for a starlight, or coming back to bright. So when you first install the light, you're not going to see any scenes up here. You're going to have to add your own. Go ahead, go into this plus button. You can start by going to this Hue Scene Gallery. Philips Hue provide a wide variety of preset scenes that you can use out of the box. The ones on the top here are going to be probably the most useful for your day-to-day. Up here you can see the bright, dimmed, night lights. Very easy to kind of just navigate and check these out. You can click on the save. For example, use the night light. So I'm going to save this to my scene. Go back here. Sorry, let's turn the brightness back up. So some of these other ones have different vibes. If you want like a party vibe like Cancun, or maybe like a starlight, I really like this one. It's a bedroom. You can also use it for a romantic vibe, like maybe like a Ruby Romance. As you can see, there's so many different ones down here, and it's just so fun to kind of just look through all these different scenes and play around with your lights. However, if you're into smart devices, smart light, etc., and heard about the Philips Hue before, the Philips Hue ecosystem is very advanced. It can do a lot more than just simply turning on and off the light at a certain time. But if you really want to enable those features, you have to pair this lamp with a Philips Hue Bridge. So with the Hue Bridge, you unlock a ton of different smart capabilities. Starting off with the Bluetooth app, you're only limited to 10 lights. With the Philips Hue Bridge, that expands that number limit to 50. This should be plenty enough for most homes. The second important thing that the Philips Hue Bridge unlocks is access to Philips Hue Labs. Philips Hue Labs contains a bunch of cool different advanced automation formulas that you can install into your Philips Hue app. One of my favorite is this one called Time-Based Light, which allows you to schedule the light to show a different scene at different time of the day. So for example, if I want the light to be brighter in the morning, I can set it to that. and at like 5 p.m. I want the lights to be a little bit warmer. And near the end of the night, I want it to be even warmer and dimmer so that I can easily transition into my bedtime routine. The third thing that the Hue Bridge unlocks is the ability to control Philips Hue devices with other Philips Hue accessories, such as the dimmer switch or the motion sensor. With these extra accessories, you can really enhance your home automation that can control the lights with these extra devices. The fourth, and probably the most important feature that the Hue Bridge unlocks, is voice control. With the Hue Bridge, you can control every single Philips Hue lights with either Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or Apple HomeKit. My wife and I have a Google Assistant device in all of our rooms in our home, so we've grown very accustomed to controlling everything in our house with our voice, such as turning on and off our lights or opening and closing our blinds. So this was a really critical feature for us. I've actually looked for a lot of products online that could meet this requirement. The ones I found online have the ability to change the color temperature or the color of the lamp. However, you can only do those things through a separate remote control, which is a really major deal breaker for us. We ultimately decided to get this Philips Hue Infuse Hue Ceiling Lamp because it has the right smart home integration capabilities that we needed. And plus, you can't go wrong with the Philips Hue product. It's very high quality and very reliable. I have other Philips Hue light bulbs and recessed lights in my home, and they have worked very well in the past few years. And with that, it's time to hear my personal review on this product. You can probably already guess, I love this product. With all the cool advanced features I just talked about, there's really nothing that this lamp can't do. It looks great, it works great, and it's fun to play with. The time-based light setting from the Philips Hue Lab has been especially useful, where I really don't have to worry about adjusting the light setting. But if you ever do want to adjust the light setting, it's only one voice command away. So, yes, this product is worth even the full retail $250 if I had to pay the full retail price. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in hearing more about my review of the other Philips Hue accessories such as the dimmer switch or the motion sensor, please drop a comment below and see you next time.